Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. I am trying something new, surprise, surprise. I saw Summer do this on the channel LittleLee and Rose, and I'll have the link down below. There we go. What I'm going to be doing is the dragon scales. I am using the Sophie and Toffee UV resin because this is what I had, and because I'm a little bit anxious, and my nail UV light dryer has not come in, and y'all know how much I love dragons, so I thought I would try putting together 3 of these UV lights and seeing if that'll be strong enough. Alright, so let me put on my PPE, my respirator, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I hope y'all can hear me. Now what I'm using is this gorgeous color from LittleLee and Rose. It's the chameleon. And so, fingers crossed this is gonna work. Let me mix the, look at those colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I am only gonna do a little section so I don't waste too much. Ooh, beautiful colors. And it just needs a really thin layer. It doesn't need to be really thick. You don't want it running. Okay, so this is my first try. Let's see. Wow, that is gorgeous. Alright, so now I'm going to get the bubbles. Alright, I think I got enough bubbles. Come on. And I do have paper towels down at the bottom. Okay, bubbles are just essentially water. Okay, let's have it, make sure it's covering all of it. Alright, let's see if this will work. Oh yeah, that worked. Oh, and it's not tacky. So that cured nicely. Let me turn it around. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, it even got these little itty bitty ones here. Oh, I love it. Alright, so I'm going to do the end right there a little bit more. And then I'm going to do the entire cut. All right, y'all. This is the finished cup. I'm sorry I didn't know that it quit filming halfway through, but I did this entire cup with my 3 lights wrapped together and it worked. I am so happy with it. I'm loving the colors. It is so dragony to me. This is perfect. I'm going to try to I'm going to put more of the flakes in the next time and make it thicker, not on the resin part, but on the color part. Well, thank y'all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.